beautiful people, this is me, I'm your host, and today I'm gonna talk to you about the Neutrogena product. If you're curious what I have to say, then keep on watching. Neutrogena, it's one of those brands which is widely known and available. Currently you can buy them in over 70 different countries. They have many ranges underneath the Neutrogena brand. And I'm gonna talk about the products which I use. So in that case, I can tell you what I think about them, if I'm gonna repurchase them or not. I'm gonna start with their face wash. That's the Fresh Foaming Cleanser, Makeup Remover and Cleanser in one. For clean skin, it's soap-free, alcohol-free, oil-free, all the good stuff. I use this for many years, back and forth, and guess what? I'm always going back to it. And let me just show you something. I have here 3 empties, and yes, I already have a backup. And right now you can even buy a bigger one, or I should say bigger bottle. Why I like it? Because it cleans, it doesn't dry the skin, and it does the job. And yes, you can even do a double cleanse with it. I do like it. I'm like, you cannot really go wrong with this product, and also it's very affordable. The other cleanser which I try, it's from the Hydro Boost line. Besides this, there is another one which comes in a similar container, but has a consistency of a gel. As a face wash itself, yes, it is nice. But if you're buying because of the hyaluronic acid claims, just skip it. Why? Because the hyaluronic acid, it's all the way at the end of the ingredient list. If you don't like gels, this one is nice. That's their Gentle Cleansing Lotion from the Hydro Boost line. This one has a consistency of a lotion. So if you're familiar with the CeraVe cleanser, that's the, let's say, same feeling. Yeah, I do like it, but I rather use it in the morning. Why? Because in the evening, yes, I wanna, let's say, do double cleanse. When you wake up, you just wanna refresh your skin. You don't want nothing too much, so this one is perfect. Since we are talking about the cleanser, they have a range of shower gels called RAINBATH, which you can use as a shower gel or a bubble bath. I do like it. It comes in different sizes and different scents, so it's up to you which one you want to go for. I do enjoy the one in a blue package because it smells like an ocean, but it's a pleasant scent. And also the yellow one, I think it's original scent. It has that nice herbal scent. And why I like it? Because the bottle, it's really chic, it's classy, you can easily display it in your bathroom, but also the product itself. It foams, it cleans, it doesn't dry your skin, and you don't need to use a lot. And guess what? It's gonna go down the drain, so there is no point of you overspending. This one is perfect as a double cleanse, but if you wear heavy makeup and you wanna take it off first, that's their eye makeup remover, which is all free eye makeup remover, effective, gentle, removes even waterproof mascara, no oily residue. If you're familiar with the Lancome Bifacil, when you have 2 layers and you have to shake it before you're gonna use it, this works the same way, but obviously it's way cheaper. I do like it. I went through a few bottles of it. I see myself repurchasing again. I do enjoy this product, and besides, it's Neutrogena, which most of the time is on sale. And if there is a coupon, guess what? You can even get them cheaper. But besides this one, they have their makeup remover wipes, which been popular for many years. And yes, they are popular for a good reason. However, right now, there are so many wipes, you don't have to overspend on them. And also, there are other products which you can switch into it. Also, they have the eye makeup remover patches, which comes in a jar. So you just take the pad, put it on your eye, remove your eye makeup, and keep going with your routine. I do enjoy this product, and yes, I see myself buying it again. With the makeup wipes, no. With the eye makeup remover patches, no, I'm not gonna repurchase because I prefer the one from Olmay. And also there's more in it. If memory serves me right, the Neutrogena has 30 patches, while Olme is 90, and also you can buy a bigger container which has 120. But okay, let's see what else we got here. Oh, for the hair, they have that triple moisture line. That's, what is it? It's like your emergency treatment for your hair. And for who it is? Extra dry, over-processed, color-treated hair. Deep moisture benefits for soft, smooth, totally touchable hair all day. Within this line, there is shampoo, conditioner, hair mask, and also leave-in conditioner. I didn't try this one. I cannot tell you how it works. However, shampoo and conditioner are great. But if you come along the hair mask, you know what, just pick it up because you cannot go wrong with it. Besides the claims, it have olive which penetrates to the center of your hair, meat from seed help moisture the middle of the hair, and sweet almond rubs the surface. And besides being hydrated, yes, it will make your hair look better. Since now it's winter and we need something heavier, from their Norwegian formula, I have their hand cream, which is really potent. When your hands need something heavy duty and you don't know what else to use, go for this one. You don't need a lot, just a little bit, because product it's really potent, but it does work. However, once you put it on, either put cotton gloves or go to bed, because yes, it is kind of heavy, so you're gonna be leaving residue all over the house, or let's say if you're working on a laptop, but it will help with dry crackets, pads, or anything else which you have going on your hands. From the same line, I have the lotion. Norwegian formula was created to protect against some of the harshest, coldest weather on earth. And this one I bought when I was in Canada. Heals dry skin from the inside out daily by the moisturizer. So no, I didn't get a chance to try it on, so to be find out. Hey, okay, I thought the consistency is gonna be like the cream which was heavier, but no, this is nice. And okay, it has a light scent, but I don't know if it was the hand cream or this one, but it's a nice light scent, so you shouldn't have issue with it. Since I opened it, now I can start using. Oh, and the bottle is 450 ml. So it's like around 14 to 15 ounce. And they also have makeup. I did try their lip balms, which comes in a tube. They are nice. Their mascara, unfortunately, it didn't work with me. It comes in a beautiful blue tube, which is easy to find. The mascara itself, unfortunately, it was wetting my lashes, and it was a no-go for me. But the item which I do like are their eyeshadow. This one, obviously, it's empty. The thing which I do enjoy are their eyeshadow. That's an empty. I already have a backup. If you come along them, you know what? You can easily give them a try. Why? Because even though it's Neutrogena, their eyeshadows, are at least the single one, are really pigmented. I cannot find them in the store anymore, but you can easily order them online, and they do give you a punch. They're very pigmented. Okay, couple years ago, Neutrogena, they come up with their Hydro Boost moisturizer, and because it was so popular, they bring different face products within the lane, and then the body items. But I'm gonna start with the face cream first. Anyway, I already talked about the cleanser, but the moisturizer is great. It has a water gel formula with hyaluronic acid. It does provide hydrations, come in two different versions. Technically, the texture is the same. The only difference, the one for extra dry skin has no scent. Obviously, this is my empty, but if you watch my videos, you know that I do enjoy this product, and I went through many jars of it. When my skin is really dry, or if I overdose retinol and I need something, I'm gonna apply this every few hours just to keep the hydration. But yes, I do like it, and it's one of those mistake-proof products which you cannot go wrong with. I'm gonna follow up with their sheet mask Currently I have two. I know they have a couple others, but so far I couldn't find them in a store. So that's the deep clean with seaweed extract. It's okay. I prefer the one with hyaluronic acid. It's a hydrogel mask, meaning the mask has a jelly consistency and comes in two pieces. So you have top piece and bottom piece for your face. You're gonna keep the mask for, let's say, half hour, and then you're gonna take it off, and your skin is gonna be really nice, plump, juicy, and really hydrated. I went through many of those masks and I do enjoy it. Obviously I'm gonna repurchase. Another item is their Hydro Boost serum. No, Hydro Boost multivitamin booster. That's their serum with suspended vitamin E. When it's full, it looks, here we go, it looks like this, has a little bubbles. Those bubbles, it's a vitamin E. I enjoy this product. I already went through couple tubes of it. When you're using it, your skin, it does looks better. And this is like a drugstore alternative for the Clinique, which comes in a similar container, but it's pink. This item is nice for dryness, but also to keep the hydration. And the vitamin E, it's one of those old school ingredients which will make your skin look better. So you're getting 2-in-1 and you cannot really go wrong with it. I'm gonna move over to the body products. Beside the lotion, they have a body balm which comes in a jar. It has consistency of sorbet ice creams. It smells pleasantly. I do like it. Since they come up with the lotion, I prefer the lotion better. Why? Because the consistency of it is different. Like that one was a sorbet ice cream. This is the actual lotion, and obviously you're getting more. I like to apply this product after the shower when my skin is still damp, and what it does, it just seals the moisture and has a, here we go, light jelly consistency. Okay, go. It's not really heavy and it's perfect for summer when you want a hydration but you don't want to sweat too much. And guess what? Because the container is so big, it's gonna last you for a long time. And as I already said previously, you can easily buy them and sell. The newest product from the Hydro Boost line for me, it's the hand gel. Hydro Boost hand gel cream, Skin's advanced hydrator, boost hydration for soft, supple hands. It smells like this, but it's very light in texture. It's perfect for applying in between your hand washes. Why? Because it's gonna provide hydration, but it's not so sticky that you're gonna be leaving marks all over. Do I like it? Yes, and I see myself repurchasing this item again. Also the items from the Neutrogena which I tried, I'm sure there's few more which I forgot about. However, there is the range within Neutrogena which I'm curious about. It comes in a silver container. That's the retinol range, which comes in silver packages, and I know many dermatologists like it. That's something which I'm curious about. If I'm gonna buy it, maybe not. Those were all the Neutrogena items which I tried. I'm sure there were a few which I forgot, but hopefully this video was helpful to you, and I see you next time. Bye.